If you're trying to make money with Amazon FBA, the number one thing that you need to do in order to actually make money with this business is learn how to source product. In this video, we're going to be going over the fastest and most efficient way for you to source product for your Amazon FBA business in 2023. What's up, guys? My name is Joe. I'm the owner of Strictly Commerce, and myself, I've been selling on Amazon for over 5 years now, and I've generated over $5 million in sales on Amazon alone, just on their platform. So the fastest and most efficient way to source product in 2023 is reverse sourcing, especially for online arbitrage. You can utilize this model to go through other sellers' products and see what they're selling with the intention of, if they're selling this product and they're an online arbitrage seller, that must mean that the other items that they're selling are other OA flips, and those are more items that I could purchase. It's the most efficient way to go through a lot of listings. And for a lot of you guys that are new, the thing that you need to do is look at more listings so you can read more Keepa charts, so you can see more products and find more items that you could purchase for less and sell for more on Amazon. Reverse sourcing has allowed me to find a lot of products in a shorter amount of time. And although it's not the best or most profitable products, it is seeing a lot of good products that can be bought for less and sold for more or for a profit. So it is the best way to see as many listings as possible and get through all the bad to find the gems and actually bring on more products for your business. Again, these are not going to be the most profitable. However, it's going to get you in front of the most listings, which is going to get you better at sourcing and allow you to really grow this business. Because the bottom line is you need to look at, let's say, 10 products to find one winner. So why not get through as many groups of 10 products as you can in the fastest amount of time so you can find as many winners as possible?
Winning's winning.
This is exactly how I source a majority of my online arbitrage leads, and it's how I sit there and look for OA products every single day when I'm trying to add more SKUs to our catalog. So reverse sourcing is actually the act of going through online arbitrage products, and then once you find one winner, you're going to go through all the other sellers on that listing to see what are these guys selling, and then once you see what these guys are selling, you're then going to look at their items and go through all of those items to look for more items that are good.
Hey, you are a genius.
This will make more sense in the later part of this video when we dive into our screen recording, but basically the concept here is that you're trying to get in front of as many products as possible in the least amount of time possible, and the concept of if one product is OA, all the sellers that are selling that product are also getting it online arbitrage because we're all looking through the same pool, and you just want to find as many leads as possible in the fastest amount of time. The issue with this model is that if you're looking at somebody else's item, that means it's already in stock. So you're at minimum 2 weeks late on the flip. So they're going to have a better chance of making money because once the sale gets dropped on an OA product, the price is bound to tank. However, there are still a lot of instances when these items are really good, which is why it's still worth doing and the fastest and most efficient method. So now we're going to jump inside my computer and we're going to do a little bit of reverse sourcing and show you guys exactly how you can find these products for your own Amazon FBA business. So now that we're inside my computer, I have Amazon, and what I'm going to do is type in a brand that I know is an online arbitrage flip. How do you know that these are online arbitrage flips? I'm just going to keep it easy and go through any of the Walmart private label brands, because any Walmart private label brand that's sold on Amazon, what it means is the people have to be buying it from Walmart because it's only sold on Walmart and then reselling it on Amazon. So even though these items might not be great right now, using these private label brands can help you get a start, because what you need to do is find that first item that's decent to then reverse source off of through the other sellers. So if you want to learn how to find a list of all the Walmart brands, do a simple Google search of Walmart private label brands and then search those brands on Amazon. So we're going to type in Spring Valley. That's one of the Walmart private label brands. It's only sold on Walmart. And then we're just going to pick a random one to open up. And then what we're going to do here is just do some simple sourcing. We're just going to basically search for the title on Google and see how much Walmart is selling this item for. We know it's sold by Walmart. Walmart's selling this for $4.88. So magically, we just kind of found a winner here. $4.88 times a 2-pack. This is a 29-cent profit, but we have an 80-cent prep fee built in because of our prep center. So we actually would make roughly $1.09 on this one. And obviously with the fees, it's a little bit less, but it's not going to cost you 80 cents to get this sent in. Regardless, this is what we're looking for. Not that this is a gem. We're looking for an item that is purchased from Walmart and sold by other sellers. So now we're going to go into the other sellers on this listing that are selling it at a competitive price. We're going to open up their storefront like this guy and go through the other items he's selling, because we know if he's selling this one, it means the other items that he's selling are most likely also online arbitrage flips that we could buy for less and sell for more. So we're going to open up this item. We're going to open up this Dial, and we're going to open up this Trader Joe's. Then here, although you probably can't make real money on this, maybe you might be able to buy this salt for a good price. So we're just going to check it out. And remember, every item that we do find is just another pool of other sellers. Remember, guys, there was 30 something other sellers on that first listing. So if we wanted to go through every single seller, we could. Now this one's $1.43. So if we took out our prep fee, this would actually be a decent flip. Although this item's not great. If you look 2 weeks ago, or let's say 2 months ago, this was almost $10. And at $9.45, this is a freaking winner. And you're buying this at $143 from Walmart. You're making 122% ROI. So we're late on this flip, but this is a good item. We're just going to move on to see if we can find something better. Now, this is the Dial soap bar. These are 4 ounce, but I'm pretty sure these are something that you buy in a big bundle and then sell for less. So these are $8.97 for 12 4-ounce bars. So this is only 2 bars. So if we divide $8.97 divided by 12, 75 cents times 2. Although this is not profitable with our 80-cent prep fee, it's decent. So we know right now that we have an OA seller. So now it's just a matter of how many items we have to go through until we find a good one. Now this Trader Joe's seasoning, I don't know this site. However, I do know that if we were buying this for 99 cents and we were selling it for $2.18, we're making money. So I'd probably test this out, this Blizz company, because I don't know them. But who knows? This could be a good item. So shipped by Trader Joe's. Wow. This is something you guys can go look into and see what this Blizz site is. But we probably could also buy this from Trader Joe's themselves. I mean, it's $1.99 there. So, you know, you are making a little bit of profit here because of that 80-cent fee. But this is just what I'm talking about on how to find items. And like most of the time when you reverse source a seller, the first couple items are not great. And then if you go deeper into their store, they do get better. The deeper you go, the better it is. And that's what's great about reverse sourcing is it allows you to go and get basically lost in Amazon for so long that you can find tons of different items. Right here, we have this from $8.98 from Sam's Club. Prepped and shipped, we can make 16% ROI or $1.45. And right here, that's another winner. And this one actually you can make money. And all we had to do is go 4 products down. So we'll keep going here. Now again, too, that we found that last item, now all the sellers on that listing are going to be more opportunities to reverse source off of. So I hope you guys can see now how just finding that one item and there's 37 sellers, we can find a ton of different items. So this is $3.47. And like this one, you could probably make 50 cents on. This isn't a bad item. So this is suppressed, so I probably wouldn't go here. It's just a race to the bottom. But this is essentially what we're looking for. So this is exactly how you could reverse source, and you just keep going through different sellers' items and keep looking for different items on different stores to see what you can actually make money on. And with this model, remember, you're going to be a little bit late to the flip. However, if you can find good items, a lot of them are going to be decent. And as long as you go wide and not deep on items, you still can make money with this. And it's a great way to look at a ton of different items that could be decent for Amazon in the shortest amount of time. So for all you guys that are saying, I can't find any items, this is what you need to be doing to start finding OA items to flip and start making money and make your first 10K on Amazon. If you guys like this info and want more info on reverse sourcing and everything else Amazon FBA, check out the 2 links in our bio for our Discord communities. That's it for this video on reverse sourcing, and thank you for your business.